Rogowski's report is difficult and disappointing to read. He makes a number of recommendations, and we will accept them in full.
You've been parachuted in here to Australia to take over as chief
got him!
executive,
Yes!
What was your reaction to the confidentiality breaches that triggered the scandal?
Off here, Scotty!
His attitude to ethics and
I got it! I got it!
integrity at PwC.
What happened with respect to the breach of confidential information?
Oh dear.
When U-turns go bad.
Yeah. Somehow he knows.
Hello, Tosser.
Twit. Yeah, they're both good at this.
What the
What? Oh my god. Seriously? Oh god. Double white lines? Are you kidding?
blinded cat? Okay, you can probably see over the crest, but even so.
Still.
So after all that dangerous overtaking, and you're caught up in your own
gained absolutely
words.
nothing.
Go fuck yourself.
Oh shit, not good.
Police! You're all under arrest!
Would get frustrated and even harassed when they asked for the application of Freedom of Information Acts. All this came out in WhatsApp and secret messages he sent to a party power broker, dramatized here by 60 Minutes, as if it's the
you're doing the same.
Sorry. Ready to arrive on your name.
Well, who the hell knows?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, just been. Oh. Where are we? Flax Creek. Flax Creek. Oh, yeah. You skidded around hit the pole. Get it.
There's one for Scotty. Straight through the middle of the roundabout.
Fucking hell, kid!
My ravens and leave.
Oh, good one, dickhead.
Absolutely. Look, you mentioned that you watched today's
Wow,
episode
you're
of
clever.
Ahsoka before we... Oh my gosh, this is gonna be some fun combat. This is gonna be with morality, with ethics. This is supposed to heighten your
fuck's sake.
awareness and make people think about
You stupid sausage.
divine justice.
You son of a bitch.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
So that hotel is stripped out.
Yes.
And then I thought they were going to finish it straight up by just redoing it from the inside, but looks like they're even adding more onto it, and there's something else behind it they're building, and they're adding floors to it. So.
Wow.
Whoa!
Whoa! What the fuck? Could have killed a guy with a motorcycle.
Shit, yeah.
Holy shit! What?
Oh, Jesus.
That's an accident waiting to happen.
Yeah.
Stop it! Stop it! I saw that, you son bitch! You did that on purpose! I gotta barbecue your ass in molasses!
Who's a fucking wanker?
Crashes and people get killed.
Don't give me a filthy look, fuckhead.
Saw that.
Because they cut it really short compared to what I would.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch!
Get out the way!
And it's a city dog. She said, oh no, the instinct's there.
Where are you going, sweetheart? Oh, you're just going to drive up there because you feel like it. You're stupid.
Why did he...
Well, I always wanted to be a cattle dog.